plan for some wet weather. Here's a live look out now at Gold Beach, where we are dealing with some showers. Temperatures sitting into the 50s, 54 degrees, and around the rest of the region, we're seeing a few showers as well. What we're tracking is this area of low pressure that is driving our weather for today and going to continue with showers into tomorrow. Seeing a few strikes of lightning as we are offshore, and even this morning saw some lightning into Jackson County as well. But where we're seeing most of that activity is areas over to the west, especially Curry, Josephine, western Siskiyou County, showers into Jackson County as well. Make sure you're driving a little bit slower on the roads. We could see a period of moderate to even heavy rainfall if you are along the coast. Moving into Siskiyou County, seeing some showers. It is a little bit quieter areas over east side this morning. Temperatures right now sitting at 50 for Medford, 46 to Klamath Falls, 45 to Montague. Along the coast, 50 for Brookings, 41 over to Lakeview. High temperatures today. Not going to be climbing up too high in general for 50s for most of us. 58 for Medford, 54 for Klamath Falls, 55 to Wairika. A little bit warmer towards Lake County. See a little bit more breaks into the sunshine. But one thing we have to keep our eyes on as well are definitely those wind gusts. If you're along the coast, in the Shasta Valley, and areas over east side, that mixed with some of that rain's not going to be feeling too great if you're standing outside in it, especially later tonight if you're heading out for some of those football games. But we will see it settle as we work our way into tomorrow morning, and it is going to be a little bit more comfortable in terms of heading outdoors tomorrow, because we still are tracking some showers into your Saturday, a little bit less wet into your Sunday. Temperatures remain on the cooler side, but we got to keep an eye out for those showers. If you are heading out to the Rogue Marathon tomorrow, definitely expect to see some shower activity earlier on, and it is going to be rather chilly for the start of that race. But looking out at Stormcast, today we will see that rain work its way inland, continuing areas over east. We still have the chance for some showers this morning east side, but it does pick up as you switch over into the afternoon. And by the time we're into the evening, take a look at that widespread rain across the region, even some higher elevation snow into the mix. Overnight showers continue. We'll see more showers into your Saturday. On the lighter side for your Saturday, more breaks of the sunshine. Sunday will be on the drier side, but that next system starts to move in, and we'll keep an eye out for showers later into your day. Now, in terms of rainfall, most of it is going to be falling along the coast and into western Siskiyou County. East side will be seeing lesser amounts of the precipitation, but it is pretty beneficial. We are seeing those fire danger levels lower in the Jackson and Josephine counties on your Saturday, which is some good news. And in terms of snowfall, we are going to see it into higher elevations, accumulations mainly above 6,000 feet, which does include Crater Lake, Mount Ashland. First snowfall of the season. Could see anywhere through your Saturday about 2 to 4 inches at Crater Lake, a little bit less as we're into Mount Ashland. And then as we work through next week, it is going to be feeling a little bit warmer, and we are tracking a system into your Monday, but it is not looking as impactful as what it did earlier this week. Still got to keep our eyes on it. Still going to possibly be seeing some of that higher elevation snow. And then into next week, it is looking a little bit drier. But here's a look at your 7-day forecast. We are going to be seeing a little bit cooler temperatures through next week. Rain likely again into your Monday. As we're into next week, we'll see a slight chance for those showers. So Northern California, drier for your Sunday. Next week on the drier side, we have to make it through some showers into your Monday. Into the Klamath Basin, cooler mornings as well. Next week, we have a chance for snow and rain showers. Snow mainly into those higher elevations, over into the mountains as well. High elevation snow through Crater Lake into your Monday. Not expected through your weekend, though, to see any higher path impacts to your travel. And then finally back over into the Rogue Valley. Over the next few days, expect it to be rather wet and cool through your weekend before drier and warmer temperatures next week.